Hello everyone, welcome to the first tutorial of Google SketchUp. We are going to get view over the software. Please like, share and subscribe this video if you find useful. This is how Google SketchUp icon looks like. Let's open it. Once you open your Google SketchUp window, this starting window will pop up. At this stage, we can select any template we want. We will get options in all metrics, scales, inches, millimeters, meters, inches, architecture and sample. We will select millimeters. After selecting our template, we will enter to the main screen of Google SketchUp. This is how our main screen looks like. This is our workplace. This is where we are going to create our model. Let's delete this. We can see 6 lines here, 3 bold and 3 dotted. These 3 bold lines are our positive axis and 3 dotted lines are our negative axis. This blue line you see is the positive axis, and this green and this red line is our horizontal axis, and these dotted lines are our negative axes. Apart from our workplace, this is the top bar and the side tray. We will get our tools here. Select tools. You can select any object you want with this tool. Erase. We can draw a line and erase with this tool. Line. We can draw anything we want, any line we want with this tool, and just to press escape to get out of the tool. Freehand. Just hold your right key and draw anything you want. Arcs. We will get many options for arc. 2 point, 3 point, 5. Rectangle. We are getting many options in rectangles. Rectangle, rotated rectangle, circle, polygon. We can create all these shapes. Push and pull. If we create one surface, one plane, we can push or pull with this tool. Offset. We can give offset with this tool. Move. We can move our object. First we have to select the object and then we can move. Rotate. We can rotate our plane or object at any angle. Scale. We can scale our object. Text. We can put text here. Paint bucket. Once you select your paint bucket, you will see material option in default tray. So in this option, you can get many options: concrete, brick, carpet, color, glass, landscape, metal, patterns, roof, stone, and many more. So we can select any pattern or any colored color here and put it on our surface. Orbit is basically used to rotate our screen on our axis, or we can just use our scroll button and rotate our screen. Pan is basically used to move our screen left and right. Zoom, we all know zoom is for zooming the object and zooming in and zooming out. Zoom extended, basically the same tool. 3D warehouse. 3D warehouse is basically used to get or find any objects you want. If you want to save your time creating the object, and the other tools are extended versions of 3D warehouse. Default tray. In this default tray, you can see material option, which we have already seen, entry info, components. We can get many components here, ready-made components, bed, or we can find in 3D warehouse, which we cannot find here. Style, it is basically the screen type or your SketchUp type. Tags, we can put tags on our model. Shadow, we can adjust the time and sun direction and light and dark. Scenes, we can set up as many scenes as we want. Instructor, here we can get instruction how to use the tools. At this corner of your screen you will find distance. If we draw something, you can see the numbers. Let's say I will draw a line of 1 meter, that is 1000 millimeter. So the number will come here. We are done with the first tutorial of overview of SketchUp. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video if you find it useful. See you in the next tutorial.